Welcome to day 2 of learning about Montessori materials.
This is pink tower. This is eye and mind coordination material in Montessori method. The children used to handle this material like this. So they have to hold the top like this. They have to hold the bottom like this. They will be keeping this like this. Again they will be taking the material and keeping this like this. Because of this material they will be learning the counting 1 to 10 blocks, and then the shape, side and corners and shape, rectangle, triangle, all the shapes they will be learning. And then the surface, soft smooth surfaces, they will touch and feel the material. They will learn the corners in future, they will learn the sides in future. At the same time, if they are keeping like this is not proper, so they will do the trial and error method and arrange it in a proper way. So this is our teachers will be learning this materials here in our training section, and they will teach the children what is eye and mind coordination, how to handle the materials. Everything will be teach the children by the teachers.